If you think your vegetable garden is done for the year, you're missing out on one of the best planting windows of the entire season. Most gardeners put their pots away by late summer, assuming it's too late to start anything new. But here's the secret. Soil in August is warm, which means seeds germinate in days instead of weeks. If you get these 15 fast-growing container vegetables into potting soil right now, you'll be harvesting fresh, crisp produce all autumn long. You don't need a massive backyard or months of hot summer weather to pull off a late-season harvest. Container gardening gives you total control over soil quality, moisture, and placement. As the sun moves lower in the autumn sky, you can easily wheel or carry your pots to the sunniest spots on your deck or patio. By focusing on quick-maturing crops and cool weather specialists, your patio can stay fully productive right up until hard frost. Before we dive into our first quick harvest vegetable, hit that subscribe button if you want weekly, practical guides to keep your home garden thriving all year long. And let me know in the comments below, where are you gardening from, and how many containers do you have running right now? Before you sow a single seed this late in August, there are 3 golden rules for late-season container success. First, pay attention to days to maturity. Look for varieties that mature in under 60 days, because autumn days get shorter and cooler, which naturally slows down plant growth. Second, warm August potting mix dries out fast. Keep your seeds consistently moist until they sprout, or they'll stall out before they even start. Finally, choose containers that are dark colored to absorb autumn heat, but keep them shaded from scorching afternoon sun while tiny seedlings are establishing. First on our list is radishes, specifically fast-maturing varieties like French breakfast or cherry belle. These are the absolute sprinters of the vegetable garden, going from seed to crunch in as little as 21 days. Plant them in a window box or shallow pot, at least 6 inches deep. Because warm August soil speeds germination, you'll see green shoots in just 48 hours. Second, we have spinach. Spinach loves cool autumn air, but starting seeds in late August gives the root system time to anchor while the soil is warm. Choose smooth leaf varieties for easy harvesting and plant them in a wide, 8-inch deep container. You can start harvesting baby spinach leaves in about 30 days. Third is baby bok choy. If you haven't grown this in a container yet, August is the perfect time. Compact varieties like extra dwarf bok choy fit beautifully in 10-inch pots. They mature in about 35 days, delivering crisp, juicy stems right when your summer crops start fading. Fourth on the list is arugula. This peppery green grows like a weed in late summer. Sown in shallow containers or potting mix totes, arugula gives you continuous harvests through the cut-and-come-again method. You'll be picking tender baby leaves in under 3 weeks. Fifth is loose leaf lettuce. Varieties like black-seeded Simpson or Buttercrunch avoid the summer heat stress that causes bolting. Plant them in 6 to 8-inch deep pots. Keep the soil evenly moist, and you'll have a continuous salad bar right on your back porch through October. Rounding out this first group is bush beans. While pole beans take too long, short-season bush varieties like Provider or Contender mature in about 50 days. Plant them 3 to a 5-gallon container. The late summer heat gives them a rapid start, providing a heavy flush of tender pods before frost arrives. What container vegetables are you planning to put into pots before August ends? Drop a comment below and share your late-season setup. If you're finding these tips helpful, take a quick second to hit that like button. It helps other home gardeners find these timely planting guides. Moving into our cool weather specialists, plant number 7 is kale. Varieties like Lacinato or Dwarf Blue Curled thrive in 5-gallon containers. Starting kale in late August gives you tender leaves all autumn, and the flavor actually gets sweeter after a light fall frost converts plant starches into sugars. Eighth is Swiss chard. Bright light Swiss chard not only yields continuous harvests of tender greens, but it also looks gorgeous on a patio. Plant 3 plants in a 12-inch pot. You can harvest individual outer leaves in about 35 days while the center keeps producing new growth. Ninth on our list is turnips, particularly quick-maturing varieties like Hakurii. These aren't the bitter roots you might remember. Grown in an 8-inch deep container, Hakurii turnips mature in 35 to 40 days, offering sweet, crisp white roots and edible green tops. 10th is green onions or scallions. You can sow seeds or plant sets in a shallow window box right now. Scallions require very little root space, grow rapidly in late summer soil, and tolerate cooler autumn weather remarkably well. 11th is mustard greens. If you enjoy a zesty kick in your salads, varieties like Red Giant or Mizuna are incredible choices. They sprout in just a couple of days during August. Maturation takes under 40 days, and they thrive in shallow, 10-inch pots. To keep your late-season containers running at peak performance as autumn approaches, follow these fast care rules. First, watering needs change quickly. While August sun bakes potting soil dry, cooling September temperatures slow evaporation. Always feel the top inch of soil before reaching for the hose. Overwatering cold soil leads to root rot. Second, feed your containers lightly with a balanced liquid organic fertilizer every 2 weeks. Warm soil speeds up nutrient uptake, but as growth naturally slows in fall, reduce feeding so plants don't produce weak foliage. Finally, maximize sunlight. As days shorten, move your containers to the sunniest spots on your deck, patio, or driveway to give them every bit of available light. Rounding out our 15 container vegetables are 4 high-yielding powerhouses that deliver big results in small spaces. 12th is kohlrabi, specifically fast-growing varieties like early white Vienna, grown in a 10-inch deep pot. Kohlrabi forms a crisp, turnip-like bulb above the soil line in about 45 days, offering a refreshing, mild broccoli-like flavor. 13th is beets. Compact varieties like Early Wonder or Bull's Blood perform exceptionally well in 12-inch deep containers. Sowing in late August gives you a double harvest, tender, earthy beet greens in 3 weeks, followed by sweet, plump roots before hard freezing weather sets in. 14th on our list is short-season peas, such as Tom Thumb or sugar and dwarf snap peas. These compact varieties require minimal trellising and thrive in cooler fall temps. Plant them in a 10-inch pot now, and you'll be picking sweet, crunchy pods in under 50 days. Finally, plant 15 is short-season broccoli, like Eastern Crown or D. Sicko. While head broccoli takes months, these rapid-maturing varieties produce small central heads, followed by abundant side shoots in about 55 days when started in 5-gallon containers. The clock is ticking on your fall harvest window. Once September rolls in, daylight hours drop sharply, and cooler soil slows seed germination down dramatically. By getting these fast-growing container vegetables into potting soil during these final days of August, you take full advantage of warm late-summer soil to give your crops the head start they need to thrive right through autumn. If you enjoyed these late-season container tips, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more practical, high-yield gardening advice. Don't forget to ring that notification bell so you never miss a timely planting window. Thanks for watching, happy planting, and I'll see you in the next video.